If you are running a subscription service or membership through Systeme.io, there's going to be a situation where somebody's card needs to be updated. And when that card needs to be updated, you need to know how to assist that customer when they need to update the card. So I'm gonna show you, this is an account, which is just a test account that I'm using. And I definitely recommend you have your own test account. This is my own account, okay? So you can see it's my actual email address and everything that I use. And I really recommend you do subscribe to yourself to make sure payments are going through and there's no bugs or anything like that. Now, you'll see that these are the plans that I'm subscribed to because I have two memberships. I subscribe to both of them for the sake of keeping track. And you'll notice that if you hover over those three dots, you'll see change credit card details. So again, you will see it under contacts, and you just go to the right contact and then hover over the three dots of whichever membership, if you've got more than one, of course. Then you would click on change credit card details. Once you do, it will open up this page right here, and it's going to say, hey, first name, whatever the name is. I was just using a random name, right? So I used the word template, so it doesn't really matter. But this is the page that you need to send people. So then you would copy this and you would just email this link over for the person to update their card. So that's how you'll get them to update their card, and then their membership will be able to resume. That's about it. I have other videos on Systeme.io that you can look somewhere around here, which are going to be relevant to what I just showed you and might help you in your journey with setting up your website and funnels in Systeme.io. Thanks a lot for watching. Leave a comment with the word value if this was helpful, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.